Hello everyone, welcome back to Ecom DevX. In today's Shopify tutorial, I'm going to show you how to collect custom customer information directly from your cart page and automatically save that information with Shopify orders. This is incredibly useful if you need customers to provide extra details before placing an order. For example, delivery instructions, gift messages, order reference numbers, personalization requests, any special notes related to the order. And the best part, Shopify already supports this functionality natively using cart attributes. That means no third-party apps, no monthly fees, and no complicated integrations. Once everything is set up, the information will automatically travel through checkout and be saved with the order inside Shopify admin. Let's jump in. Right now, I'm on my Shopify store's cart page. As you can see, there aren't any custom fields available for customers to enter additional information. Let's fix that. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Then navigate to Online Store and open your backup theme. Since I'm using the Horizon theme, I'll click the three-dot menu and select Edit Code. Now, I'll locate the cart form file where customers submit their cart information. Once you've found the cart form, we can add our first custom field. For this example, I'll create a delivery instructions field. Now, there's one important thing you need to know. The name attribute must follow Shopify's cart attribute format. At this stage, I have also implemented the placeholder and type attributes for each input field to ensure the fields provide appropriate guidance and validation based on the expected user input. In this case, I'll use attributes /delivery instructions. This tells Shopify to store whatever the customer enters and carry it through the checkout process. Let's save the file and test it. I'll refresh the cart page and there it is. Our new delivery instructions field is now visible. I'll enter a sample instruction for the courier. Now let's proceed to checkout and place a test order. The order has been created successfully. Let's head over to Shopify admin and verify that everything worked correctly. I'll open the order we just placed. Scrolling down to the order details section, and here we go. You can see the delivery instructions field along with the exact value entered by the customer. So we've successfully collected custom information from the cart page and saved it with the order. Now let's take it one step further. Instead of just one field, let's add multiple custom fields. I'll go back to the theme editor. Using the exact same approach, I'll add two more fields. The first one will be a gift message field and the second will be an order reference field. Again, the only thing that changes is the name attribute. For the gift message field, I'll use attributes, gift message, and for the order reference field, attributes, order reference. You can repeat this process and create as many custom fields as your business requires. Once the fields are added, click Save. Now let's return to the storefront and refresh the cart page. As you can see, all three custom fields are now available. I'll enter some sample values into each field, then we'll place another test order. The second order has been created successfully. Let's verify the results one more time. Back inside Shopify admin, I'll open the new order, scrolling down to the order details section. And now we can see all the information submitted by the customer. The delivery instructions are there, the gift message is there, and the order reference is there as well. Everything has been saved successfully. And that's exactly how Shopify cart attributes work. Without any apps, without any custom backend development, and without any additional costs, you can collect valuable customer information directly from the cart page and have it automatically attached to every order. Whether you're collecting delivery notes, gift messages, order references, or custom personalization details, this is one of the simplest and most effective solutions available in Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Ecom DevX, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Shopify development tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.